Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. I hope you guys are doing well and doing practice very much for your upcoming interview. Okay, so I hope you guys are watching our videos also. These videos we are daily basis uploading. Okay, so if you are preparing for data engineering interview or you want to be a good data engineer, you want to learn the market requirements, how we used to write the code in based on the market requirements, and what is the real time data engineering work. So you can follow our channel for this. We have uploaded uh, interview question for each different companies, product based companies and also service based companies. We have big four questions for data engineers, and if you we have data factory real time scenarios also, and recently we have started fabric courses. Okay, fabric playlist. Okay, if you still have not subscribed, if you are n- if you are interested to learn fabric, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Okay, so in today's video, earlier video we have seen how to create the free trial account without having any organizational account. Okay, and also we created Lakehouse. We created workspace and created Lakehouse. Under that we created our first pipeline, okay, for copying the data, okay, from some source location, source directory to sync directory, that we have learned. Okay, but in this video we will learn using the shortcut. Okay, so shortcut is a very common and important thing in fabric. Okay, so basically shortcut, what we uh, in a simple term, what is it is shortcut is nothing but very quickly how we can access something. Okay, in our window also we used to create shortcuts to uh, access our apps or access our softwares from the directly desktop and all. We used to create the shortcuts. Okay, so like this, like same, we when we need to access some files, if it is in one lake or if it is in some other space, uh, that file directly we need to access. For that reason we need to create the shortcut. Okay, so basically here what we will see, we have one ADLS. This ADLS data, every time we used to use this demo containers data. You have seen in data factory also we used to use these datas. Okay, for the video purpose. Okay, short project creation purpose. Okay, so this ADLS access how we can do from our fabric using the shortcut, that today we will see. Okay, so let's go to the our test workspace. This workspace last day we have created. Okay, and here it is our lake house, test lake house. Okay, under that first we will create our shortcut. Okay, so shortcut, when you will create the shortcut, so basically what you did, these three dots, there is a shortcut. So using this shortcut you can access any of your container, any of your storage location container which is exist in Amazon S3, Amazon S3 compatible or something, Azure Blob Storage, Azure Data Lake Storage or GCP. Okay, any of this platform you can access. Okay, or if it is in one lake only, fabric one lake only, in some other folder, multiple nested folder it is, that also it is you can access from here. Okay, but here what we will do, we will access our this demo container. Okay, so for this we'll go to here, we'll create one new test connection. Okay, for this, for creating of new test connection, uh, what we need to do, we need to go to the, so here we need the URL. Okay, dvfs core URL. Okay, for that what we'll do, we need to go to our this endpoints. Okay, from this endpoints we need to take this one. Okay, and after that we need to paste it here. Okay, so already we have created I have created this storage connection. Okay, that's why it is showing me like this. Otherwise, whenever you will put the URL, you will have this connection. Okay, so in connection you need to select the create new connection. Already I have created this connection, so that's why it is directly showing me the connection here. So you have to select when you are doing new, you have to select create new connection, then you have to give the connection name. I have given the same connection name. Okay, I didn't make any kind of changes. Okay, after that authentication link, authentication kind, you can give account key authentication, SAS, SAS authentication, or service principal, anything, workspace identity, anything. So I have choose the organizational account. So basically using the switch account directly I have logged in to my Azure account. Okay, okay, it's done. Then you have to click next. Whenever you will click the next, you will get this get all the containers. I have a one container demo. Under that there are multiple datas and sync and source file. So I'll take the demo, the root container as a shortcut. So I'll click next. Now you can transform your data. Your data is not in delta format. Transform your data before creating a shortcut. These settings will apply to all shortcuts. Okay, so you can do that. For now I will not do any, I will not convert it to the delta table. I will skip it. Okay, so it is yet to create. Now I will create the shortcut. Okay, it will create the shortcut for me. In demo I can see my all the data sets. You can see in here whatever dataset we have in container, whatever dataset we have, seeing source and other datasets we have also the same. You can see in under demo we have sync and source and these files. In sync we have filtered data. In sync if we will see filtered data, and if source we'll see entire employees. Okay, if somehow I would delete the sync data. Okay, so sync data, so I'm deleting. Okay, so if I will refresh, for now it is there. If I will refresh, let's see if data is going or not. Yeah, you can see the data is not there. So it is completely synced up with the with your demo container. Okay, whenever you are using the shortcut, and your shortcut sign is this one, is your shortcut sign, this thing. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood how to create a shortcut and why it is so much necessary. Whenever you will connect your ADLS source for data sourcing or syncing the data, that time you need need to create the shortcut to connect your thing. So if you want to create multiple shortcuts, you that also you have options. Okay, so already I have created the for this container the shortcut, so you will get it from here. This is the test cctl shortcut for which I am using currently, and I have one another container for demo ADLS. Okay, that for that also I have created shortcut for this. Okay, so like this you can create click on the next, and after that you can do that whatever. Okay, for now I don't have anything in this ADLS. Okay, if you see I don't have anything, it's a complete new thing. Okay, that's why nothing is there. Okay, and there is that's why some error is it is coming. There is some we have just newly created this ADLS, so configuration, it will take some time to configure it. Okay, and for this one, this test CCDL, as I have shown you, we have this. Okay, this shortcut we have created. So I hope you guys have understood the concept, how to create the shortcut, and why it is required. Here you can choose, you can choose the lake house, you can choose the SQL endpoint also. From here, this thing we will see later when we will start using notebooks and all, and other activities. We will see how what is the necessity of these options and all. Okay, for now, shortcut, how to create the shortcut, why it is required, how to access the ADLS from fabric, this thing, it is clear, I think. Okay, so if you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends, and please support us. Without your support we will not able to grow up. Okay, so your support is very much required, guys. Please, 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 uh, please help us to create a big community, data engineering community. Okay, and subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Bye.